Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can grow your followers on Thread app. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to search for the Thread app and you simply need to open it. And the first method you can get the followers is you simply need to go on to your profile picture and go click on followers and click on following and click on see all. So here you can see basically all accounts that you are following on Instagram, and if you send request to all, so they can see the request once they join Thread and they can follow you. So this is the first method, and the second one is you simply need to find the big accounts in your niche and engage with their audience so you can get a decent amount of followers for your account. So this is the second method, and the other method is you simply need to engage with the different people onto the app, and you can post some good content as well so that people see your content and engage with your content, because on the Thread app you can see a huge reach because it is a new app. So this is the all method that you can use to grow your followers on Thread app. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, you must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.